Now that you have created your own copy of the digital binder, we are going to update the first 8 slides together. Over here on the left, you can see I'm starting with slide 1. On slide 1, you should double-click the area where it says your name here and fill it in with your own name. Once you have done that on slide number 1, you can click through slides 2 through 5. You actually don't have to change anything on any of these slides. There are some links. There's a link here to our PLC calendar, how we are going to be rolling this out. There is a page that explains our instructional building goals. Page 5 has several different links that we will be using throughout the year, but for right now, we don't have to worry about changing anything. When we move on to slide 6 and 7, these are slides that you are eventually going to be updating with the group norms that your mixed PLC group comes up with, as well as a schedule for who is sharing each week. For today, we aren't going to fill these in, but once you receive your groups next week, these are things that we are going to start working towards filling in. Moving on to slide 8, we are going to create 6 different lesson templates that you can use throughout the year. To do this, you click on this box that says Lesson Plan Template. You have to click on the edge of the box, and then you will see a thumbnail pop open that says Final Copy Lesson Template. Click right here on the blue lettering, and it will prompt you to make a copy of the Final Copy Lesson Template. So I'm going to hit Make a Copy, and you will see then it shows me I have a copy of Final Copy Lesson Plan Template 2020. Up here in the top left of my document, I'm going to rename this to Lesson 1. Once I've done that, I'm going to go back into the digital binder, and I'm going to click on the template again and make another copy. I'm going to call this copy that I've created Lesson 2. I have now repeated this process 6 times to create 6 different lessons. Now I need to link each of these lessons back into my digital binder. To do this, I open up the tab with Lesson 1 and hit the blue Share button in the top right of my screen. Under here where it says Get Link, I want to make sure to change this link so that anyone with the link can view. To do this, I click on Change the Link and click the drop down to choose Anyone with the Link and make sure it says Anyone with the Link can view. Once I have updated these settings, I copy the link, navigate back to my digital binder, and right-click on the box that says Lesson 1. In the drop-down that appears, I can choose Link, and here I paste the link to my Google Doc and apply. Now you can see that when I touch on the box for Lesson 1, that I have linked my copy of Lesson 1. I have now repeated this process 6 different times, so you can see when I click on each of these boxes that they are linked to my 6 different lesson documents that I created.